In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll down again, this time to click on Screen Refresh Rate. And finally, apply any of those options by clicking on the best one for you. When you're ready, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!